Tubby here, and I'm going to show you the unboxing and first impressions of my Christmas Cubes 2018. Let's get into it. Some 3x3. It's a very nice size. I think this works really good for one-handed actually. I think this is a new main. Really good. Let's do solve on it. It's a really nice cube. Okay, let's get into the next puzzle. Ooh, I like this. It's an X-Man Volt Square One. I don't have a very good Square One right now, so I'm hoping this one can. Oh, this box is hard to open. It looks really nice. Ooh, it's really smooth UTB. This slice layer is really nice. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun solving on this. Yeah, I like this cube a lot. It's really smooth and controllable. Turns really nice. Okay, next puzzle. Ooh, a cube. I wanted a cube for so long. This is the X-Man Wingies cube. It's concave. How does that even turn? Wow. I've never touched a cube before in my life, so I'm happy to own one now. turns like, it doesn't turn on the corners, but it turns that way. I think it's similar to a pyramid, so if I know how to solve a pyramid, I think I'll be able to solve this. Yeah, I don't know any algorithms, so yeah, it's a really nice cube. It's my first cube. So, yeah. Next puzzle. Ooh, I think this is the new 6x6. It's nice and small. Nice. I think it needs a fair bit of breaking in, but yeah, it's very controllable, and it's the very first 6x6 that I had, so I like it a lot. Next puzzle. Is a Pyraminx. I think this is the X-Men Bell Pyraminx. Because my ShengShou locks up on me every once in a while, so I wanted to get a better Pyraminx that would fix that problem. Box is hard to get open. Oh, it comes with some extra magnets here. And they do stick with these magnets. I think this is a magnetic puzzle. Wow, we have a new main here. It's so smooth. I want to do solve on this. Really good puzzle. See corner cutting? Yeah, they're very strong and they go and come back really strongly. Corner cutting. Wow. Next puzzle, I'm thinking this is a GTS 3. I'm not completely sure though. Let's go. Yep, it's a GTS 3. Yeah, it's a GTS 3. this looks spicy. It's one of the newest flagship 3x3s from MoYu. There's some accessories here. Wow. Before we get into the actual puzzle, let's see the accessories. Everything's sticking to the magnets. I guess I'll just... Okay, nice. We got a tensioning tool. Lots of tensioning tool. And I think these are for spring compressioning system. And I don't know what this is for. And some pamphlets here. Now let's get into the actual puzzle. The box is really nice. Wow. It's a really nice puzzle. Let's do a solve on it. I think inside of the center caps are the spring compressioning system. I don't know what it's set to. So I'm thinking I'm gonna maybe like there's like different numbers of the spring compressioning system. So I think use this one. I think that makes it tighter if you do it that way, like looser. Let's do it in a tight system. I think one of the tighter settings are better. Okay, we can play with that around later. Another new main. This tensioning tool. I really don't know what it's for because we have the spring compression system, so I don't know what it's for. And it has these ridges. They're not very noticeable. They're 1 millimeter, looks like. Doesn't make much difference to me, but it's all up to personal preference. If you want your cube to feel this way. Internals look pretty nice. We'll still need a fair bit of breaking in. But I'm excited to solve on it. I think this is regular size. So these are all my cubes from Christmas 2018.